In this video, how to create Airtable base. I will show you step by step how to create an Airtable base from scratch. First, open your browser and go to the Airtable website. Log into your account using your email and password. If you do not have an account yet, click Sign Up to create one. After logging in, look for the Create button on the homepage. Click Create and then select Start from Scratch. Now choose a name for your base. Type a name that represents your project or organization. Click Create Base to continue. After that, the base will open automatically. Inside the base, you will see an initial table created automatically. Click the table name to rename it. You can rename the table based on your needs. Now click the Add Field button to create new columns. Choose the field type you want to use. You can choose text, number, date, or other options. After that, start entering information in the table rows. Each row represents a record of data. Enter the information you want to organize. You can also add more tables inside the base. Click the Add Table button to create another table. Organize your tables based on your project needs. Now your Airtable base is ready to use. You can use the base to organize tasks, clients, or projects.